CleanMyMac safe settings for maximum junk removal. Follow this ordered checklist. It balances aggressive cleanup with safety and backups. 1. Backup first. Create a time machine backup or disk clone before any major cleanup. 2. Use the MacPaw non-App Store edition if possible. App Store builds may lack some cleanup features. The MacPaw version provides full tools. 3. Smart Scan. Start with Review. Run Smart Scan Cleanup plus Protection plus Speed. Always click Review and uncheck anything you recognize as important. Before confirming. 4. Cleanup System Junk. Safe aggressive options. Enable User Cache, System Cache, Broken Downloads, Logs, Localizations, Mail Attachments, iTunes or Thumbnails, Universal Binaries or SCOD Junk. Only if you don't need dev tools. Disable automatic deletion of browser. Passwords, keychain items, or any file tagged as important. Review before removing. 5. Large old files Space Lens. Use Space Lens to identify big folders. Sort large old files by size and review the largest items manually before deletion or move to external or iCloud. Don't delete unknown system files. 6. Duplicates similar photos. Let the app find duplicates, but manually review groups. Keep originals and important edited versions. Use similarity threshold conservatively, if offered. 7. Mail attachments. Safe to remove if you use webmail or have messages in cloud. Otherwise, archive or export important attachments first. 8. Uninstaller reset. Use uninstaller to remove apps and associated files. Prefer remove all associated files for apps you no longer need for troubled apps. Use reset keeps app. Clears settings. 9. Maintenance. Optimization. Run maintenance scripts. Reindex Spotlight. Repair disk permissions if available. Free RAM and flush DNS. These are low risk and improve responsiveness. 10. Protection. Run a protection scan for adware or malware if anything critical appears. Quarantine and cross-check with a dedicated AV. CleanMyMac's AV is helpful but not best in class. 11. Settings tweaks in CleanMyMac. Preferences. Enable show everything found during cleanup or equivalent review prompts. Disable any automatic, unattended removal of system files. Keep real-time malware monitor enabled if you want background checks. 12. Final safety steps. After major cleanup, reboot and confirm apps or data are functioning. Restore from backup if anything breaks. Quick presets 1 line. Conservative, Smart Scan, Review, Clean, Aggressive Power Users. Backup, System Junk all safe categories except passwords or keychain. Large old files Manual Review. Duplicates Manual Review. Uninstaller. Maintenance, Protection Scan.